Well, from solar energy and battery storage to roofing and HVAC, Semper Solaris does it all. You're really more Semper Home now because you have totally expanded all of your services. For our viewers who haven't heard the story, tell me a little bit about the inspiration behind your company.
Semper Home. You know, Semper Solaris, obviously we started in the solar business strictly, and then we added roofing, and then we added HVAC, all the energy things for the home, because we could bring that electricity to them way cheaper than SDG&E ever could, way cheaper than SDG&E ever could. And so we started adding things that let the energy come down now. And we added windows, we do insulation, radiant barrier, we do gutters and things like that just to help the home as well. So Semper Home seemed to make more sense than Semper Solaris.
Yeah, and I think it's so cool because you guys do it all, the homeowner is not having to work with multiple contractors or points of contacts or salespeople from different companies. You guys are really handling these projects start to finish.
It makes it such a big difference too. The last thing you want is one guy taking off your solar panels and some other guy coming in for the roof and some other guy coming in for this, and you got to coordinate them both, and the other guy doesn't show up in time, and there's 10 calls you got to make. Just one-stop shopping. One-stop shopping. Give us a call. We can handle it all.
I know, and one of the reasons your team is so good and efficient and trustworthy, obviously a lot of them have military backgrounds like yourself. You are a Marine and you try to hire a lot of veterans, but even those who are not veterans, you kind of run a tight ship, right?
You know, we try to. It is the civilian world out here. You can't treat them like you might treat your young Marines who just expect to be told what to do every day and how high do you need me to jump, sir? But yeah, we try to run as tight a ship as we can. I mean, we have a lot of Marines, we have a lot of vets. We're the fastest battery and solar installer in the state. That's been dictated by some magazine. So we must be doing something right.
How is the technology changing? I mean, I look at people who probably installed solar a long time ago. I mean, when it was still fairly new, but now it seems so common. It seems like the technology is so amazing. What do you love about the technology? You
know, it's interesting. When I first started, the panels were about 200 watts a piece. That's how much they put out each panel. Now they're 450 watts a piece. I mean, you're talking about more than double. It's crazy back in the day. We used to always wonder, will there ever be a 300-watt panel? Yeah. And now we're up into the 4s. So technology's gone forward. The batteries have gotten so much better. We almost sell a battery with every single job now because, sometimes power goes out. I had power go out at my place twice in the last week. One time from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. My house never blinked. Yeah. My waterfalls were running in my pool. This was happening over there. We had the TV on. My wife one year was hanging Christmas lights and power went out in the neighborhood. The lights were still shining. We never felt it because we had a battery. Battery is a great way to hold the world back.
Yeah, seriously. And I mean, right now we've been in the midst of this heat wave, and I know a lot of people feel guilty or even scared to turn on their AC if they have it because it's so expensive. So you're eliminating that.
And it's getting more expensive. They talk about these AI data centers coming, and electricity is going to go through the roof because they're going to need all this power, et cetera, et cetera. I'm surprised our phones aren't ringing off the hook. It's July, that kind of does, but I'm surprised they're not, we're not having to hire another 100 people just to handle the demand. But batteries are a great way to go because you can, when they charge you the most for electricity, which is at night, you'll still be pulling off your battery. That's like the secret to life these days. And things like I said, insulation in the attic, all these windows, all this other stuff. You can get a whole house fan for your house for not much money at all. We do whole house fans. And instead of having your AC running all afternoon and all night, you just flip that thing on. It pulls the cool air in that is outside in this desert community we live in at nighttime, and you don't even have to run your AC at night. Yeah. So it really makes a difference.
Awesome. Well, if somebody wants to get in touch with you or one of your amazing team members, what's the best way to do that?
Well, you know how we are. We're the Marines, and we come take the hill, and we take your dry socks and move on to the next foxhole, and we get the job done.
Yeah, awesome, cool. So installation super fast, easy. Go ahead and give Semper Solaris, or should we say Semper Home, a call, but that website is still sempersolaris.com. So awesome, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we'll be right back.